The Google Pixel 9 Pro is the latest flagship from Google, offering a strong emphasis on AI, excellent photography features, and a refined user experience. Here's a comprehensive look. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a sleek, polished design with a 6.3-inch Super Actua OLED display that delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The display is impressively bright, reaching up to 3000 nits, making it easily usable in direct sunlight. The device comes in 4 stylish colors: obsidian, porcelain, hazel, and rose quartz. Powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset and equipped with 16 GB of RAM, the Pixel 9 Pro handles everyday tasks with ease. However, it lags behind in raw performance compared to other flagships like the iPhone 15 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24, especially during multitasking and gaming. Users have reported occasional performance slowdowns and heat issues. The phone comes with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking, and offers storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB with UFS 4.0 for faster read/write speeds. The Pixel 9 Pro ships with Android 14, providing the cleanest and most up-to-date Android experience available. The camera system is one of the Pixel 9 Pro's standout features, equipped with a 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. The 48MP front-facing camera delivers high-quality selfies and supports 4K video recording for sharp and detailed video calls or vlogs. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with a 4700 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day under moderate use. However, while it supports 45W fast charging, real-world speeds tend to be slower. Closer to 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also supported. Pros: excellent camera system with strong AI features. Bright and vibrant display with smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Useful AI tools like Magic Editor and Magic Eraser. 5 years of software and security updates. Cons: performance lags behind other flagships. Slower than advertised charging speeds. Portrait mode still has issues with hair and depth of field. Verdict: the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a great option for users who prioritize camera quality and AI-driven features. While it performs well in most scenarios, the Tensor G4 chipset doesn't match the power of competing processors, making it less appealing for gamers or heavy multitaskers. At a starting price of $999, it offers great value for photography enthusiasts but may not be the best choice for power users.